Nhà Hương House, designed by HH Studio, transforms an old house into a contemporary living space for a family of 5 in Da Nang, Vietnam. Inspired by the memory of Hue, the former imperial capital of Vietnam, known for its rich cultural and architectural heritage, the house's design connects past and present, emphasizing traditional values and communal living. The house features a garden, reoriented functional spaces, and a nearly symmetrical T-shaped structure centered around an atrium. The garden includes aromatic plants and fruit trees, while traditional architectural techniques are employed. The design creates a solid and contemplative atmosphere, with a dynamic interplay of light and shadow, encouraging a reflective and serene living experience. The project involved acquiring the adjacent lot, equal in size to the original house. The new land was transformed into a garden, a rare green space in the city, oriented westward with its back facing east. This setup allows the tropical garden to receive abundant sunlight throughout the year. One of the ground floor bedrooms connects directly to the garden and serves as a communal sleeping area for the whole family, especially when the grandmother visits from Hue. On weekends, the family usually sleeps there. The atrium, located in the dining room, serves as a connection between the renovated space and the new construction. The function of the existing building was altered so that the interior spaces face the southern garden, taking advantage of the ideal orientation for Da Nang's climate. Using the original concrete structure, the ground and upper floors, the roof, and the fixed dimensions of the building, a nearly symmetrical T-shaped structure was created. The ground floor is open, extending the dining area into a multifunctional space overlooking the aquarium and garden. This design promotes cross-ventilation during the summer, utilizing winds from the east and southeast. The materials used include polished concrete with clear wax for the flooring, while the walls and ceilings are scraped before receiving gray cement-based waterproofing. The name Hoang, which belongs to the wife, also reflects a key feature of the garden. All the cultivated plants were chosen for their fragrances when in bloom. The furniture retains its natural wood tone, and the lighting features warm yellow LED lights. The house creates a tranquil and reflective environment, in harmony with the garden, water, light and shadow, subtle scents, and the silhouettes of trees and leaves. The reflection of the sky and moonlight on the lake enhances this sense of serenity. The transition between light and shadow in both interior and exterior spaces reveals a contrast of dark, gray, and bright tones, with patches of light falling on tiled roofs, walls, and concrete floors, fostering a unique sensory experience. The house preserves the traditional family lifestyle, prioritizing togetherness and shared time. Despite living and working in Da Nang, a rapidly growing urban city, the family holds on to the memory of Hue, their hometown. Nhà Hương House evokes the atmosphere, spaces, and materials of the past, marked by the passage of time.